When I see the grains in the field and I see that the rice are almost ripe, it reminds me of a story in the Bible. And this story is about a woman who was sitting by the well. Jesus comes to her and asks her for water. And this lady, because she is a Samaritan, she is not supposed to talk with someone who is Jew, and Jesus was a Jew. What happens? She relates to her all the stories eventually at the end of this, and then she goes back to her home. When she goes back, she not only tells her friend what happened, but she tells the whole village what Jesus did to her at that moment. She comes back, and while she is coming back, in the meantime, Jesus is with his disciples. The disciples tells him, "Master, won't you eat?" And Jesus says, "My food is to do the will of him who sent me," and that's his Father. Do not say there are 4 months and then comes the harvest. Look out to the fields and see that the harvest is already. Friends, this story reminds us of how much work we still have to do. And the harvest is ripe, but the workers, the laborers are few. I am requesting you, my friends, to give your life to Christ and come and let us finish the work that God has called us to do.